everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. And thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 30th of January to the 3rd of February 2023 on Monday. Mkhonto is at his wit's end when he can't find anything to stick to a prime suspect. Nkunzi and Mkhonto let their issues get in the way of the lobola negotiations. A damsel in distress seeks help from Nyawo on Tuesday. Nkunzi is dealt a hard blow when Pastor Kwala flips the switch. Sibonelo want to know what is going on with him and Nomaswazi. Nkazimulo is resigned to his destiny behind bars. Nyawo begins his plan on Wednesday. Father and the son's relationship reaches a breaking point. Sibonelo inadvertently invites danger into his home and Nyawo find a questionable side hustle on Thursday. Kapsila catches Nomaswazi in the Mkhonto house with Sibonelo. Pastor Kwala and Nosipho assures Nkazimulo that there is no need for him to move out. Nyawo, being Nyawo, seized the moment with Stabile on Friday. Nomaswazi and Sibonelo make up after her weird behavior and share a warm kiss. Nyawo shows the police station a stolen selfie with Stabile. Sibonelo finds out that Hlelo has a concern about the books in Kwanjomane. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.